So today we're focusing on Miss Catherine Lopez Ramos pre-observation for the date of July 22nd, and I'll be observing her on July 23rd, second period, for students of 9th and 10th grade. So my first question is, what is the objective of your lesson?
The objective is pretty much to introduce them to domain and range. We're starting off our year with functions, features of functions, so like increasing, decreasing, max, mins, domain, range. So we're going to start off with domain and range tomorrow to start off the year.
And what will the students be expected to know at the end of the lesson?
At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to know how to identify the domain and range of a function on any given graph.
How will you know if the students have met the objective?
I like to do, well, for my closure, I do like to do some sort of exit slip. So pretty much just having them do a couple short problems just with domain and range, like maybe two graphs, and then, just have them identify for both. And that way, and then I just grade it really quick, and that way I'm able to gauge, like, if they understood or not.
Very nice. What instructional materials will you be using to meet the objective?
For one, we're going to start, they get packets every unit, so they do have a packet that just says features of functions, and the very first thing is domain and range. So they're going to have notes. We do the whole, I do, we do, you do formatting.
The GUR model?
The GUR model, exactly, GUR. So we're definitely going to be implementing that. And since it is 51-minute period, it goes really fast. So, I'll probably have enough time to open up the lesson, like do an opening, like do the GUR model, and then maybe a little bit of practice in there, and then the exit slip. So to ensure that is pretty much what their materials are going to have.
Okay. And which of the following teaching behaviors would you like for me to monitor? And I'm just going to list them and just say I want you to focus on that. The use of modalities, wait time, use of Bloom's taxonomy, closure, checking for understanding, guidance, or other.
I would say, I would say checking for understanding, closure, and guided practice.
Okay.
Just because it's the first day and I kind of want to gauge, like, how's that going so far?
Perfect.
Yeah.
So just to reiterate, guidance, practice, closure, and
Checking for understanding.
check for understanding. Thank you. Are there any other things that I should be aware before the observation?
Just that it's the first day that the kids are starting with math. Our first day of school was today. And I did mention to you, we did the whole growth versus fixed mindset exercise. Tomorrow's the first day of math. So, obviously these kids are new to me, so we'll see how it goes. That's really just, first day. So.
Perfect. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. And this concludes our pre-conference observation. I'm trying to see where my scroll there.